Hello everybody, this is Brian Javelin of the Contractor Show. We're here today at the International Builders Trade Show, and what we're doing is addressing viewer requests about how employers can find labor on the internet, as well as job seekers can find employment. And I'm happy to announce that today we have Alan Kirshen of ConstructionJobs.com to help us answer some of these industry questions. Alan, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Alan, to begin with, many of our viewers may be aware of job searching boards such as Monster.com, and they may be unaware of the niche marketplace, the area that focuses in specifically in the industry they're interested in. Can you help elaborate to the viewers to let them know about this niche marketplace and how they do find employment and how employers do find job seekers?
Yes, ConstructionJobs.com is focused on niche industry, and even in last October, the Wall Street Journal indicated that niche boards are a lot better way for employers and job seekers to meet and find each other, especially quality ones in the industry.
Well, what happens if you're an intern, an entry-level person, or even the president of a company, or a plumber, electrician, or possibly a crane operator? Is there any particular segment that should or should not come looking for job employment, or are all these available out there online?
All of those jobs are available at niche boards such as ours. And if there isn't a focus on the particular type of a job, although you might find more estimators, project managers, superintendents, but tradespeople are found daily by employers on our site.
Well, a lot of times, like we mentioned president of a company, it might be assumed that a president has a resume, but many of the other traditional craftsmen, such as a plumber and electrician, may not have a resume. Because of this, should they be fearful to be able to go onto the internet to be looking for these jobs?
No, definitely not. Our site, as an example, includes a profile that a candidate, even without a resume, can put on our site in less than 2 minutes by just answering about 10 easy drop-down questions. And that gives it into a format that the employers can understand their experience and what they're doing right now.
From the employer perspective, if they're looking for candidates, what should they be considering from a cost perspective as related to other types of mechanisms of finding employment?
Well, for instance, our site is typically less than the advertisement in one ad in a Sunday newspaper of 25 words or less. So, and that you only have for one day. Ours you have for 60 days for a job post for looking for a position.
From a job seeker's perspective, a lot of these people, maybe the president of a company may understand how to travel the internet and search for people such as yourself. But if you're a traditional craftsman and they went online to look for employment, where would they go? Where would they begin to type something into a search engine such as Google or Yahoo to be able to find people like yourself and other possibly related engines that help connect employers to employment candidates?
If they do a Google or Yahoo search, and typically it's been found that most people type in construction jobs or construction employment when they're looking for a position in the construction industry. And not only our site, but a host of other niche boards show up as a first page alternative for finding job boards in the construction industry.
Okay. Well, to the viewers out there, this is an interesting thing to learn, that you don't have to just rely on Monster.com, and whether you're a president of a company or whether you're just a plumber, an electrician, drywall guy, crane operator, you should go online to be able to look for different opportunities that are there, and of course one of them would be ConstructionJobs.com as an alternative. And again, if you don't have a resume, that's okay. You do have alternatives to find employment, and at the same time, if you're an employer, it's cost effective as an alternative for looking for people that might be good candidates to fill your open positions. My name is Brian Javelin of the Contractor Show. This is Alan Kirshen of ConstructionJobs.com. We thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see our viewers soon. Thank you very much.